Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we'll cover how to ban specific special characters from your WordPress passwords using Ultimate Security. To get started, make sure you have Ultimate Security installed. Enforcing a strict password policy is vital, but did you know that certain characters can actually cause issues? By banning problematic characters like backslashes or quotes, you prevent database parsing errors and compatibility issues with older scripts that might misinterpret these symbols as malicious code. Simply navigate to the password requirements settings from the login hardening option. As you see here, you can quickly apply security levels using the quick preset. We'll use the enterprise setting for maximum protection. Notice that we have require special characters on to ensure high security passwords. Now, scroll down to the exclude characters field, and this is where you enter the symbols you want to restrict, such as semicolons, backslashes, or quotes. This ensures your users create high-entropy passwords that are still system-friendly, reducing the risk of login lockouts or site-wide technical glitches. To maintain maximum security, we recommend users stick to safe, highly effective special characters like @symbols, exclamation points, hashtags, $signs, or percentages. Once you're happy with the list, click Save Changes. Your site is now protected from problematic characters that could compromise your database or login stability. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress security hardening tips. Download the Ultimate Security plugin, link in the description box. Stay protected, and we'll see you in the next video.